Most guys don't fail in the gym because of their genetics. They fail because they didn't become the man that actually builds muscle, right? The reason why there's guys that start January 1st and they start their fitness journey, but they don't go nowhere, is because they were the exact same person that they were in 2025. They were the exact same person that they were in 2024. They were the exact same person they were in 2023. And I can go on, right? You've been the same guy for the last 5 years, bro. And that's why you haven't built muscle, right? It's because you need to identity max. You need to max out all the areas in your identity. And what do I mean by this? What do you probably think watching this video like, Don, what are you talking about identity maxing? What I'm talking about is that you need to recreate yourself. You need to create a new identity, because the identity that you have right now, it's not serving you. It's not working. And there's proof. Look at the last 5 years, right? The type of guy that builds muscle, like how often does he train? Is he stop-start, right? Does he, what kind of foods does he eat? What's his split, right? What workouts is he doing? You know what I'm saying? You need to act like the man that's already jacked, right? You need to act like the man that is already in shape. And I'm going to go into more detail about this, but I just want to say, make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video, because I have a little Christmas gift for you guys, right? But like I was saying, you need to change your identity. And I said this before in other videos, right? You need to visualize what it's actually going to look like when you get jacked. You need to visualize yourself getting the choosing signals. Visualize yourself, benching 225. Visualizing yourself, people breaking their necks, looking at you, how clothes are going to fit you. Get real specific, you know what I'm saying? That's what I did back when I first started my fitness journey. This might sound kind of cringe, but I used to visualize myself like, okay, who is the man that I want to be? Okay, now let me act like that. Let me act like them. And you know what I mean? I got specific on the actions and the habits that I needed to do to build the physique that I have now, right? I needed to align myself with the actions and habits, right? And when you do that, it's going to push you forward to actually be consistent. The reason why you guys are not building muscle is because you're literally not consistent. You start on January 1st, and then you're going to be consistent for like 3 weeks, and then you fall off. You come back in March because it's like, oh, springtime's coming around, summertime. I want to get in the best shape of my life for summer. And then you maybe come back for a month, you fall off, and then you come back in like June and be like, oh shoot, I need to get my summer body, but am I too late? And then, maybe you're consistent for like a month, maybe 2 weeks, and then you stop. Oh, and don't forget winter arc. You come back for winter arc and you're like, oh yeah, I'm a Sigma male, I'm gonna grind, yeah. And then once it starts snowing outside, you start curl up in a ball, you get your Christmas cookies. You guys know the gist, and then cycle repeats itself. That's why so many guys are so average. That's why most guys will never get jacked in their lifetime, is because they didn't visualize who they want to be. They don't have the blueprint for the physique that they want. That's why they don't go anywhere, right? You need to visualize this, right? And the second thing that I wanted to talk to you about too is you need to have an enemy. You need to have someone that's going to light a fire under your ass, right? For example, I had an enemy myself, right? Like someone roasted me because I was wearing tank tops. They said, you can't wear tank tops until you get jacked. That pissed me off. It set me off. It put a fire under me. It pushed me to actually get in the gym, right? There was many other enemies that I had, you know what I mean? Someone, like I said, someone roasted me for wearing a tank top. I was scared of getting my shoes getting jumped that night, right? I was scared of someone jumping me for my shoes. I was, tired of being the skinny, weak guy, right? Like there were so many things that pushed me to getting in shape, pushed me to getting jacked, right? You need an enemy. Maybe for you guys, maybe it's a girl that broke your heart. Maybe someone made fun of you. Maybe someone called you skinny, someone called you fat, whatever the case may be. Use it as fuel to get to your destination, right? Because right now you have no gas in the tank to go anywhere, right? You need to use the fuel as gas to get to the destination that you want to go in, right? And now the other thing that I want to talk about, the reason why most guys go to the gym and they never build muscle, is because most of you guys are not progressively overloading, right? And for those of you guys that don't know what progressive overload is, it's when you progressively make the workout more difficult, right? So for example, you go to the gym and you're lifting the same 5 pounds each week and you don't up the weight. That's why you're still small, bro. It's because you're not upping the weight. You're not progressively overloading. You're not pushing yourself. Your muscles are responding to the same thing week in, week out. And that's why they're not growing. They need to be challenged. In order for them to grow and actually look proper, is you need to challenge them. You need to be upping the weight 5 pounds each week. You need to be, doing time under tension, slow and controlled movements so that you can actually build muscle, because the muscles break down and they rebuild themselves so that they actually get bigger and they grow. The problem with you is that you're lifting the same weights day in, day out. You're not pushing yourself hard enough, right? And the second thing that you're messing up on is you're literally not eating enough, bro. It's either, for skinny guys watching this, you're literally eating enough calories. You can literally go into Google, type in your weight and height, and it will literally tell you how much you need to eat in order to build muscle, right? If you're someone trying to lose weight, do the opposite. Type in your weight and height, and it'll tell you how much you need to lose weight, right? But I'm mainly trying to holler out my skinny guys right now. Because my skinny guys, you know what I'm saying, you guys are not eating enough. You guys are literally, you'll eat like this. You guys think you're eating, but you're actually not, right? You need to start being more self-aware of what you're eating, self-aware of the calories that you're consuming if you want to build muscle in 2026, right? Like I said, this all comes down to identity, right? What is the identity of the guy that is jacked? What does he eat, right? What is the meal plan? What kind of things is he consuming, right? These are the questions you got to ask yourself. How hard does he train? What weights is he lifting, right? These are the things you got to ask yourself because it all stems down to your identity, right? And like I said, you made it all the way to the end of this video and I have a little Christmas gift for you. If you need help with any of the things I just talked about, hit the link in the description and get your free, I'm going to say it again, free hyperbolic bulk method guide. That's what I call it, hyperbolic bulk method. And in this guide, I teach you how to build muscle and I give you a free workout plan to follow, right? And if that sounds like you and you actually want to get jacked in 2026, you want to recreate yourself, you want to build a new identity, this is a great start. Get your free guide today. It's literally link in the description or in the comment section. And if you want to have one-on-one consultation with me for more personalized custom advice, you want more custom meal plan and training plan and a more custom plan for your mindset tailored towards you, more one-on-one kind of advice, hit that link in the description, right? And book a one-on-one consultation call. We'll hop on a call and we'll see if it makes sense to work together, right? And if it does make sense to work together, we'll work on your mindset, we'll work on your nutrition, and we'll work on your training plan so that you can actually build a physique that commands attention and never bores the audience in 2025. So if that sounds like you, tap in whichever links fit best for your needs. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And remember, there's nothing landing on a playing small. I'll catch y'all. See ya.